grab some felt from your favorite craft store and let's make a fun DIY felt garland. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down there and even ring the bell because you are not going to want to miss any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. Here are the supplies that we're going to be using, and I have felt in many different colors, and I actually have several sheets of each color just because I wasn't exactly sure how much I would need. I've got some thread and needle, and of course you want to make sure that the eye of the needle is large enough for your thread. And then I've got a rotary cutter, some scissors, a self-healing mat, and a quilting ruler. This is a really easy project, but it is going to take a little bit of time. So this would be a great project to do while you're binging your favorite show and getting a little bit of crafting done at the same time. Our felt sheets are 9 by 12, and I want to cut 1 inch lengths and then in 3-inch sections. So to make it go a little bit faster, I'm going to double up and cut 2 sheets at a time. And this is not quilting, so it does not have to be perfect. There's a little bit of variation that is totally okay. So I'm gonna line this up. Normally I'd line it up on the edge of the mat, but just to make sure that you can see it, I've lined it up along that center line, and I'm going to take my ruler and line that up on the inch mark, take my rotary cutter, open it up, and cut that 1 inch width. And I'm going to do that all the way down my, my felt sheets here. I'm going to take my ruler and turn it the other way, and this time we want 3-inch lengths. I'm going to do the same thing. Now I have all of these little strips that are 1 inch wide and 3 inches long, and I need lots of these. So I'm going to continue cutting my felt sheets. Here are my strips that I've cut, and this is 18 sheets. So I did 2 sheets of each color, and I've got the others on standby just in case I need more. I'm gonna bring in my string. I want a really long piece because I don't want to have to join pieces together. So I am just going to take off a long piece. It'll be more difficult to start with at the beginning and not to tie in knots, but I don't want to have to conjoin pieces. And then I'm going to get my needle and the fun part, threading the needle. Now the hardest part of this is just going to keep it from tangling. Got my string folded over quite a bit. And in fact, I'm going to take my end and tie a good knot. All right, I've got my good thick knot there at the end of my string. To string these on, all we have to do is take it and pinch it and then run that needle through the center so it's pinched. And I'm not going to go in any specific order, and I'm just going to move through my pile. Remember how I said this would be a good job or a good project for while you're watching TV? Because we're just going to string all of these little felt pieces onto our string. Easy peasy, just takes a little bit of time. I just put the last one on, and look at how cool that garland is. I love all of those colors. So pretty. Okay, now to tie it off, I'm going to pull the string as tight as I can, and I am going to put the needle back into that last piece of felt strip, and we're going to tie a knot. I'm going to do that a couple of times, just to make sure that that knot is good and tight and secure. Now for our ends, if you want to be able to hang it from the string, Then you're going to want to leave a little bit of a tail, and then it will match the other side. The other side has a little bit of a tail. If you don't need the tail, then you can just trim that all the way up to that knot. I absolutely love how this looks. It is so fun. All of those fun colors. I'm gonna bring in my my yardstick here so we can see how long this is. And mine is really pretty tightly packed. And I also used the thicker felt. I believe it's like 1.4 millimeters. So it's a little bit thicker. So there is 48 inches, which is 4 feet, and 33. So 48 plus 33 is 81 inches. So this is an 81-inch garland that we made with 18 sheets. Just for funsies, it's 81 inches. Let's divide that by the 18 sheets. So you will get about 4.5 inches per 9 by 12 sheet of felt. So if that helps you calculate how much you need to buy for how long you want it to be. Now the fun part is deciding where to hang it. Maybe I'll just wear it as a scarf. What do you think? Actually, I'm thinking of hanging it on a headboard in my guest room. But I just love this. It's so pretty. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.